Hey everybody, happy Saturday! Hope you're having a wonderful weekend. I haven't done a live video in a while. I've been MIA. So I come on here to share with you guys how meal prep does not have to be complicated. And I love to decomplicate things, right? I have 4 kids, I'm a mom, I'm busy AF. I don't feel like being in the kitchen, right? Like you don't want to live in the kitchen. So here's the deal. It's so simple to meal prep on the weekends. Hey Leslie, hey Thanithia. So I hate meal prep. I hate calling it that. Let's just call it make more dinner, right? It's so much easier when you look at it that way. Let's just make more dinner. No meal prep. So Saturday we love to grill. Sunday we love to grill. Especially when it's nice outside like this. Like who doesn't like to grill, right? If you guys like to grill, hey Joanne, if you guys like to grill, drop me some hearts. Give me some likes. I'm really excited that meal prep doesn't have to be complicated and you just get it done. Make more dinner, right? Yes, just make more dinner. All right, so Ryan fired up the grill. The grill is the easiest way to make more dinner. Check this out. Sorry. Brian's on the grill, right? Look at this. These are chicken sausages and they are delicious. So I'm gonna share another time-saving tip with you. Grocery delivery. Holy hell. Grocery delivery. I don't shop for groceries anymore. I use an app. It's called Shipt. Like shit with a P. S-H-I-P-T. And they deliver my groceries. So that's fine, buddy. You can leave it there. Thanks, dude. So I ordered these amazing, yes, Shipt. I ordered these amazing chicken. Peapod's great too, yes. And I wish we had Amazon Fresh here. For some reason we don't. I have to check it out again, see if they do, but they don't. So I'm just dealing with Shipt right now and I've loved it so far. So, chicken sausages. No nitrates, I believe. No artificial crap added to them, right? Like real easy. Put a shit ton of them on your grill and just make it happen. I gotta cover it with aluminum foil when it's done. Otherwise, my bulldog will eat them right off the counter. So, while that was cooking, this is what I'm really excited about. Jerk chicken. Get yourself some big containers of chicken. Are you bored with chicken? Probably. I was bored as hell with chicken, right? So we found this amazing recipe while I was at the doctor's office one day in health.com magazine. And it's amazing. It's for easy jerk chicken with peppers and pineapple. OMG, it's delicious. Look at this jerk chicken. That's a lot of chicken. It's gonna last. Oh my God, I just spilled it on the counter. It's juicy, it's going to last, right? So use your grill, cook your meats on the weekend, cook your meats on Saturday, cook your meats on Sunday. While that was cooking, let me show you this. I popped these little babies, hey Jess, in the microwave. Those are sweet potatoes. They are a healthy carbohydrate. So I put them in the microwave. Oh my God, they cooked so quickly. Oh, wait, my stuff is burning because I'm talking to you guys. All right, so while that was cooking, in the microwave, I made hard-boiled eggs because hard-boiled eggs are like a very easy, simple protein, right? So there's your hard-boiled eggs, all ready to go. And this is my favorite. While all that was cooking, I got myself a rice cooker. Rice cooker is my favorite. That's Black & Decker, yeah. Oh, girl, rice cooker is great for people who live in an apartment. If you don't want to set anything on fire and you want to grill, I don't know, I guess just use your oven and set it to broil. Or they have those little inside grills, right? Like the little countertop ones. I would totally use that if I didn't have, hey PJ, if I didn't have a grill or accessibility to grilling out on my deck. I would definitely use one of those little handheld, or not handheld, but the miniature ones that you can put in your kitchen. All right, so this is what I'm really excited about, right? while all that was cooking, like 6 things at once, like that wasn't enough, I made quinoa in this rice cooker, and it is delicious. Let me just share with you, this is my Mediterranean quinoa recipe. It's gorgeous. Look at that. You know you want to eat it. It's so good. So this quinoa has red peppers, you can see it in there, sesame oil. There's your sesame oil. The red peppers are not cooked. It has sun-dried tomatoes in it. They're my fave. And I just made, watch this is low maintenance. I just made some, that looks kind of sad, but it's not. It wilted because that's what kale and spinach do. So it's kale and spinach. I'm gonna throw that in the quinoa. I legitimately just threw it in there and dropped half of it on the floor, but whatever. And then you just stir it up. Look, it's gorgeous. Quinoa is fun because it's high in protein. And look at that. You're getting your vegetables without really feel like you're eating your vegetables. See? Oh my God, girl, you need a rice cooker. Yes. Olive oil is good too, but with this recipe, Imran, I really like sesame oil because it has that nutty flavor to it. It just tastes better, I think, in my quinoa than olive oil. Because olive oil has like almost like a bitter taste to it, right? So that is my marathon meal prep Saturday. Wasn't even going to cook anything, but we fired up the grill, cooked a bunch of stuff on it, added the quinoa, added the sweet potatoes, made some hard-boiled eggs, and that is legitimately like food for my house, for my family of 6, for at least a couple days. And that chicken, that jerk chicken, will last Ryan and I all week long. We'll eat that. We'll do different stuff with it. We'll take salad. Here's some salad. We'll take salad one day and just throw it on top of it with some dressing. Another day, we'll put it in a wrap. Keep it simple, but at the same time, mix it up a little bit, right? Karen, I think I microwaved these sweet potatoes for like 10 minutes. You see how little they are? They're so cute. They're so small. Ryan was like, where the hell did these come from? They're all little. I leave them a little bit firm because when you reheat them to eat them, you're going to heat them up for a couple minutes anyway. But if you stab your fork through them, it goes through. See, that one's soft. So I cooked these little guys for like 10 minutes. If you stab them and they are not firm, like your fork goes through them, like look, this one kind of sucks. I'll have to cook him longer, see? It's not going in. Depending upon the size, I would say for these little guys, 10 to 15 minutes in the microwave, and I'll share with you my secret. I take a clean cloth. This is a microfiber. It doesn't have to be wetted, like almost to the point where it's soaking wet, and just wring it out a tiny little bit. When you lay all of these in the microwave, you can put them right on top of the glass that's in the microwave, or you can put them on a plate. I have broken plates though before. Like this is one of my good, I think ceramic plates, and it broke. Even though it's microwave safe, it broke. So it gets too hot in the microwave, right? So I just set it right on top of the little oscillating glass thing in the microwave, take my washcloth, wet it, wring it out, but you know, leave it so it's almost dripping, and then put this over top of the sweet potatoes and it steams them. Oh, fancy shit that you might not have known. So that works really well to cook your sweet potatoes quicker, and they don't dry out. They don't like become like a shriveling mess. Are you watching Alvin and the Chipmunks? I love it. So yeah, like this guy's done. See how he's kind of squishy. That other one will probably be cooked for a little bit longer. 10 to 15 minutes should be good, but look, they're perfect. I love it. Pop one of these in your lunchbox with some chicken or some chicken sausages, or no meat at all if you are vegetarian. And chocolate. That is my mole. That's not chocolate. With some quinoa or another vegetable. So those are my tips for you guys for marathon meal prepping. Don't look at it as meal prep. Just make some more damn dinner, right? Make extra dinner. This might feed my family for like 4 or 5 days. You guys could legit get a whole week probably out of this. So it is how many people you have in your house, right? It is what it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm excited to share these little simple tips that I just kind of do, and I don't even realize that they're meal prep. I'm like, oh, I'm making dinner. Let me make a couple extra things. Just make extra dinner. So I hope that you benefited from that. I love to share with you guys. You know that health and wellness is really important to me. I have a wine business, but that doesn't mean that I don't care about my health and my wellness. And I think being a part of the wine business just kind of makes me care more in general about helping other people, right? Those people who are with the wine team understand that with me. Being a part of this just makes you want to constantly work on yourself and be better. So working on my health, I've lost 30 pounds in the past, I guess since late October, I've lost 30 pounds. And this is part of it, is prepping and planning and thinking freaking ahead and not just doing, right? Not just grabbing and going. That's important. So if you want to know more about my wine business or how I was able to lose these 30 pounds with the focus of my wine team and my amazing people that work with me and focus on personal development, let me know, because that's what I'm here to do, is help other women to be successful, to feel like they own their own, to not have to rely on anybody else, and to get amazing results and achieve their goals in their life. So I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see ya.